it's Miss Nancy, and we're so excited to have our first Mellow class today. And we've been setting up for beautiful teachers that are teaching in the classroom, teachers that are homeschooling, staff, administrators, and teachers in corporations. There's so many teachers out there that we want to honor and bring this beautiful Mellow class to them. So come on in for a moment. We want to show you some beautiful things that we're offering. This is called the Mellow Class, and as you can see, you can just come for the entire class and lay down. You don't have to do anything else. We'll walk you through some beautiful music from the 70s all the way through current times that are soft, mellow, and teach all about the virtues that are inside of your heart. And as you can see, there's so many different beautiful virtues inside of your heart and values and beautiful characteristics. We're going to be offering one each week at our classes, and our first week is all about love. Of course, it would be about love. And so the songs that we'll be singing will be maybe Rod Stewart, Have I Told You Lately That I Love You, and the Bee Gees, How Deep Is Your Love. As you sit down and lay down, you will be able to relax and enjoy music and have some soft stretching that we'll be helping you through. So we'll be doing a little bit of music, a little bit of movement. As you can see, we also have, if you feel like you're laying down and you want to keep the tempo to a song, it's very relaxing for you to keep a beat or the rhythm of the song. You might want to sway this a little bit with some movement, and all along, maybe some of you want to lay down and even sing some of the words that you'll remember from this song. We're so excited to be offering our Mellow class. As you can see, we have 7 students today, and we're going to be playing music that you love, doing lots of heart openers and stretching, all very mellow, so you can lay down or you can bring a chair and sit down, whatever is most comfortable for you. And then we'll be also adding in some mindfulness messages that'll help your heart open and learn all about love. As I know all of you know what love is, the definition is basically giving and receiving affection and a warm feeling inside. So we're going to help you through mindful meditations and mindful messages to be able to feel that love inside of you, to be able to give it to others and receive it yourself. Then, if you feel that you want to take it a little deeper, maybe about 10 minutes, we'll have some instruments, and you can even pretend that you're part of the band. And sometimes we'll have live music. We'll be playing the piano a little bit of some of the songs that my brother Johnny Schaller wrote from our Kids Kindness musical. And we have ukuleles and drums. And so if you'd like to partake, we'll be dancing to maybe a fun song. Well, I'll probably surprise you today, but Bruno Mars has some fun songs about love, and Elton John and the Beatles. So we'll take it even a step further to make you feel loved and comfortable. So we hope that you'll come and join us and visit us at Dance with Nance. We have free classes out here in this beautiful area in Encinitas. Can you see these gorgeous trees? Look at the beautiful scenery. We'll be outdoors. There's birds flying. We saw a little squirrel this morning. It'll be so fun to have you with us. We'll uplift teachers, nurses, doctors, anyone that teaches something that serves others. We're going to help you have a little mellow time. So come join us soon. And we're also going to be at the Encinitas Community Center in September on Thursdays at 3:30, or we'd love to come all the way to your location, your center, and bring workshops and beautiful classes to you. So come join us and look at all the beauty, and we'll help you find the beauty inside of you, and also a little crystal bowl, which is our heart bowl, that we'll be playing to help you relax and have that R and R and R and R. Rest, relaxation, rejuvenation, restoration, everything for you as a teacher. We honor you. Love you. See you soon. Bye-bye.